How to change your birthday date on Wattpad app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change or edit your birthday on Wattpad. So first thing, go to Wattpad, and now all what you have to do is go to the top corner and click on your profile picture like this. Now go to the top corner again, click here and click on account settings, the first option, and it will take you to this page. Now go down and you will find a birthday, click on it and change now from here as you want and click set. It's very easy, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.